The average Toyota transmission replacement costs between $4,000 and $9,000 depending on the model. Tens of thousands of Toyota owners will write that check this year, and the majority of them will have no idea that a single habit, one that costs nothing, takes about 5 extra seconds per drive, and requires zero mechanical knowledge, could have prevented the whole thing. Not delayed it, prevented it entirely. I know that sounds like an overstatement. It isn't. I'm going to show you exactly what this habit is, the mechanical reason it works so well, why it has a disproportionately large effect on Toyota transmissions specifically compared to other brands, and what happens inside your transmission on the days you skip it. By the end of this video, you will understand your transmission better than most people who work on them for a living, and it won't cost you a single dollar to act on any of it. Before we get into it, drop your Toyota and your mileage in the comments right now. I want to know where everyone is starting from. Whether you're at 30,000 miles or 280,000 miles, this habit matters at every stage. And if you're not subscribed yet, do that now. We put out Toyota-specific content that the dealerships genuinely do not want you to know about because informed owners are owners who don't spend money on preventable repairs. Let's go. The habit is this. Every single morning, for the first 5 minutes after you start your Toyota, you drive gently. That's it. No hard acceleration. No aggressive cornering. No jumping onto the highway and pushing it immediately. Just 5 calm, easy minutes before you ask the transmission to do anything demanding. 5 minutes that cost you nothing. 5 minutes that, practiced consistently over years of ownership, can genuinely double the usable life of your transmission. Now I know what you're thinking. That can't possibly be all it is. But here's why it works, and the reason it works so well specifically on Toyota transmissions is something most owners have never been told. When your Toyota has been sitting overnight, the transmission fluid settles. The fluid that was circulating through every passage, every solenoid, every clutch pack during your last drive slowly drains down toward the bottom of the transmission pan while the car sits. By morning, the upper components, the valve body, the upper clutch packs, the planetary gear sets, are running with minimal fluid coverage. The pump has to work hard to redistribute fluid throughout the entire system before everything is properly lubricated and protected. On top of that, cold fluid is thick. It doesn't flow through the tight tolerances of a transmission valve body the way warm fluid does. Hydraulic pressure builds more slowly. Solenoids respond less crisply. The clutch packs don't get the clean, consistent clamping force they need to shift smoothly. For the first 2 to 3 minutes of operation, your transmission is working in a state of partial lubrication with sluggish hydraulics and cold, stiff friction materials. It is, without exaggeration, the most vulnerable your transmission will be during any given day of ownership. Now here is the part that is specific to Toyota and why this matters more for your Camry or Tacoma than it might for a Ford or a GM. Toyota engineers their transmission tolerances extremely tight. This is part of what makes Toyota transmissions so smooth, so efficient, and so durable under normal operating conditions. Tight tolerances mean less slop, less vibration, more precise gear changes. But tight tolerances also mean less forgiveness when the fluid isn't flowing properly. A looser transmission can absorb cold start stress with less damage because there's more physical clearance between components. A Toyota transmission operating outside of its fluid temperature range has almost no margin for error. Every hard acceleration during a cold start forces components together that have barely any lubrication between them. The wear that happens in those first few minutes of a cold, aggressive drive is disproportionate to how brief it is. Multiply that by once a day, every day, for 10 years of ownership. That's over 3,600 cold start events. If even half of those involved hard acceleration, tight turns, or heavy throttle in the first 2 minutes, you have subjected your transmission to over 1,900 episodes of under-lubricated stress. That is not a transmission that fails at 200,000 miles from bad luck. That is a transmission that was quietly worn out, one cold morning at a time, by a driver who was in a hurry. Alright, if this is already making you think about your morning routine differently, hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second and it helps this video reach other Toyota owners before they find out about cold start damage the expensive way. Now let's talk about what the 5-minute habit actually looks like in practice, because there are a few specifics that make it more effective. The first thing to understand is that idling in your driveway for 5 minutes before driving does not accomplish the same thing as driving gently for 5 minutes. This is a misconception that costs people. When the engine is idling in park or neutral, transmission fluid circulation is minimal. The pump is running, but the transmission is not actively cycling fluid through all of its passages the way it does when you are driving and shifting through gears. The fluid warms up far more slowly at idle than it does during gentle driving. You want gentle movement, not stationary warming. So, the habit looks like this. Start the car. Pull out of your driveway or parking space. Drive at normal city speeds, 25 to 35 miles per hour, with smooth, gradual acceleration. No hard throttle, no fast lane changes. If you hit a red light, that's fine. The gentle acceleration away from that light is exactly what moves warm fluid through the transmission efficiently. By the time 5 minutes have passed, your fluid temperature has risen enough that the transmission is operating within its designed parameters. From that point forward, drive however you need to drive. The second thing that amplifies this habit significantly is combining it with the right fluid change interval. Cold start protection only goes so far if the fluid itself is degraded. Fresh fluid flows more freely when cold, builds hydraulic pressure faster, and provides better lubrication during those vulnerable first minutes of operation than fluid that has been broken down by heat cycles and mileage. Toyota's official recommendation is every 60,000 miles. The owners who are hitting 300,000 and 400,000 miles on original transmissions are almost universally on a 30 to 40,000 mile fluid change schedule. Fresh fluid and gentle cold starts together are not additive, they are multiplicative. Each one makes the other more effective. The third thing worth knowing is that cold start stress is significantly worse in certain conditions that are easy to overlook. If your Toyota sits outside overnight in temperatures below 40 degrees, add an extra 2 minutes to your gentle driving window. Cold fluid in freezing temperatures is dramatically thicker than cold fluid on a mild morning and takes longer to fully circulate. If you have a short commute, 5 miles or less, there is a real possibility that your transmission never fully reaches operating temperature before you park again. Short trip drivers need to be the most disciplined about gentle cold starts because their fluid spends more of its working life in a partially warmed state. And if you tow in the morning, even occasionally, let the transmission warm up completely before you hook anything up. Putting towing load on a cold Toyota transmission is one of the single fastest ways to create the kind of heat spike that degrades fluid and damages seals in a single event. Here is the full picture. Toyota gives you a transmission that is engineered to last hundreds of thousands of miles. The tight tolerances, the high-quality materials, the hydraulic precision, it is genuinely world-class engineering. But that engineering was designed around the assumption that the fluid would be at operating temperature before the transmission was put under load. That assumption is built into every tolerance spec, every shift map, every solenoid response curve in your vehicle. When you violate that assumption, you are working against the engineering instead of with it. 5 minutes. Every morning. Gentle driving before you push it. That is all this is. It costs nothing. It takes no tools, no products, no trips to a shop. It just takes knowing why it matters and caring enough about a component that costs $7,000 to give it 2 minutes to wake up before you ask it to perform. The Toyota owners who make it to 400,000 miles without a transmission rebuild aren't lucky. They aren't driving on special roads or living in perfect climates. They just know this. And now, you do too. Drop your mileage in the comments and tell me honestly, are you guilty of hammering it on cold starts? No judgment, just want to see how common this actually is among Toyota owners watching this. And if you know someone who starts their Toyota and immediately drives hard every single morning, send this to them today. It might be the cheapest repair bill they never have to pay. See you in the next one.